Hello everyone, welcome to the 101 days of Splunk learning. Today we are going to explore about Splunk GUI Tour. Before entering into the topic, the disclaimer as usual. This is only for the learning purpose and not for any promotions. Happy Splunking. The first one is Splunk GUI login page. GUI is nothing but graphical user interface. And today, Shekhar is also going to join with us for our learning. Hello, Shekhar.
Hi. Hello, Gayatri.
Here, there are two HTTPS and HTTP. What is the both look same? The only the S is different. What is that?
Sure, that's a good question. HTTP, yes, meaning secure HTTP. The lower part is the direct, simple, basic version. The yes gives the secure version, which is the updated version. We should always try to use the updated version with the yes.
Okay. And what is the significance of 8000 here?
Okay, that is another good question. If Splunk is running locally on your if you are able If Splunk is running locally on the system, you can run it. You can open the home page by the IP address 127.0.0.1 and then colon 8000. 8000 is the port number on which Splunk GUI is running. There are several port numbers,
Okay.
but the Splunk takes care of that one. There are around 10 or 10 or close to less than 20 maybe. Some ports numbers are available. Maybe we will see a new video on that one, but for this one, the 8000 is the port on which the GUI, graphical user interface, the Splunk web GUI is running on the port number 8000. Just remember that one.
Okay.
Let's move to the next slide. Yes, so here is the page, the launch.
Launcher page. Okay.
So you have may know your doubts on this page, please.
Yeah, last time we were uploading the few files. Like for example, we have taken a school project and we have uploaded a few files. I don't find that one now.
Sure. Okay, this is the launcher page which we can also customize. Uh, when you click on the top left Splunk Enterprise, that once again takes will take you to the launcher page, or simply you can click on the apps.
Okay.
Then you can see the search and reporting that is also available. That is also already pinned on the left side bar.
Okay.
This quick links dashboard recently viewed created by you. These things will be helpful if you are when you are working in a real project, but just for our demo purpose, we are all things are empty for ourselves. So click on the search and reporting. This page will nicely open, and then you have the search bar. One thing to note down is that search history. Splunk guys provide the search history just below this one, so that you no need to remember anything. So you can see that the last things which we did here, you click this one, click the run button. So oh,
Nothing
okay,
comes here.
okay, well and good, no problems. Click all time.
Okay. Because for this one we don't have exact time.
Timeline actually speaking, we can. It is always best to run last 1 week, 2 weeks, or last 30 days. It is a best practice that we should try to avoid the all time searches.
Okay, I have one doubt here. This school Joseph, we have created the attendance for 30 days. 3 months, right?
Correct. 90.
3 months.
Yes.
So in that case, if I hear last 30 days, will that affect our working for the last 30 days or that only 30 days of that file will be generated?
Okay, that is a nice question. So uh, let's check one event itself. The event itself is having the date, school attendance date itself is part of the event,
Okay.
and then we uploaded this logs to Splunk on the December 14.
Okay.
that is available here.
Okay.
So you can say you approximately uploaded this file 2 weeks ago. So 2 weeks ago, for 3 months data you uploaded to Splunk. 3 months data, the 3 months timeline you can forget. You just remember that approximately 2 weeks ago you uploaded. So you can search for 2 weeks ago or 30 days. The question you asked was, you uploaded for 100 days or 3 months something. Will I get only 3 months or last 30 days only? That is what your question. But as the attendance sheet includes, as the dates are part of the event, we will get all 30-day events.
30 days or 19?
All 90 days events, sorry.
Okay, all 90 days events I will get. This is
Yes.
for the
Yeah,
our searches,
one,
not
one,
with the
one more thing you can see here. You received 90 days, 90
events.
events.
Okay, simply it is
It, the Splunk
direct.
is so intuitive, it will give more information even you may not need at all.
Okay. Okay. Instead of going to the search history and finding, I know Joseph's school name. If I type in the search bar Joseph and I can retrieve the file, right?
Yes, exactly.
Can you do that for me?
Just remove these things and then run it.
Okay. Here I hear this is the syntax for that.
Yes, correct.
Can you explain that?
Source, okay. The another important thing is that default fields. Default fields meaning each file will have defaultly some 4 or 5, some fields are default to the each log. So important things are host, source, source type, and then timeline in which the timeline is actually part of the event.
Okay.
So underscore time, it is called as underscore time. So these 4 fields are very important, and there are some more other around another 10 fields which are default fields. You will learn them slowly. Just for the time being, you don't need to worry much about these fields. The important thing is that the 3 search modes. We have fast mode, smart mode, verbose mode. These 3 search modes are there. This time picker, the search mode, this itself we can make another video. That
Okay.
itself we will got these 3 search modes itself got so many details, just like an automatic gear car and a manual gear car. We will discuss that one later. Another, just for this particular GUI tour intro, you can scroll down on the left side, you can see that selected fields. These fields are selected fields, they are very important. If you scroll down little further, you can notice that interesting fields.
Okay.
Interesting fields are part of the logs itself. You
Okay.
can see that the student's name and then dates, all the things. If you click on the dates, you will see the number of dates. It is showing totally 90 values are there. Each are only one values, so no problems. When you click on a particular student name, let's say Jim, he when you click the student name, you it is giving you present and absence. He was 97% present. So Splunk does so many things automatically for you.
Okay. And what is the main difference between selected fields and interesting fields?
Yeah, that is what. The selected fields are default fields. Every log will be having the
Having.
selected
Okay.
fields.
Okay.
The interesting fields are dep depending on the logs.
Okay.
Depending on the
Here,
logs, you may have different interesting fields.
here in the interesting fields, I see index and timestamp. And the Splunk server,
Yes, exactly. That is
Splunk,
another nice question.
yeah.
You click on the timestamp.
Okay.
Timestamp, it is saying none.
Hmm.
Why? Because for this particular CSV file, we got we did not choose any timestamp at all.
Okay.
Maybe we will come back to this later on another video. Just
Okay.
for the time being, you remember that. Notice one more thing. After the after the word timestamp, you see the number 1. That is
Yes,
the
yes.
numerical value number 1, and here it is showing 2.
2, yes,
It means that here you can see that the dates got 90 90 values.
yes.
So Splunk gives you the calculation, the statistics value just before even you are asking.
Okay,
On the front side, you can see that some student's name is having the alphabet A, and one particular thing is having hash meaning a number. It is a number.
okay. Can you click on
A
that?
meaning it is a string.
Okay,
Okay, let me click this one. Hash meaning line count. Line count is 990. It is having the value of 1.
okay,
All, as we uploaded CSV file, all our lines are single lines.
okay,
When you click any other things, you can see that these things are simply strings. So the values are either present or absent. So I think this is what.
okay.
Any other questions? I believe we are crossing the 12 minutes
Why
mark.
for John Smith it is 2?
Yeah, why not? John Smith got present and absence. Kelly also
Okay,
present and absence.
okay,
Kumar is having only present. Okay, that is another good point. The student Kumar was present all 90 days,
okay,
so he got only one present.
okay.
So we should give him one present actually. All other students got some present and absent as well. Okay, one more guy. Sri Shalvam, he is also present all 90 days. Nice boys actually. Okay, you see this guy, Adam. Adam got no last name. This is another important fact. Okay, we will discuss. We'll come to this later. Yes, yes, please. You, yeah, you after running this one, you can see that on the top there is a save as button. You click
Okay,
this one, you can save this as a report, alert, existing dashboard, or a new dashboard,
okay.
or at the lower part an event type.
Mm-hmm.
These individual things are another different topics, different videos. So for the current GUI tour, you just have these things. You can click create table view, and then you can close this one. No need to go there. Another important thing here, these 4 tabs.
Yes, event
When you
patterns.
when you run the things, most of the time you will land up on the events. When you click on the patterns, this will give some patterns like this. You can read the warning sign says that if the more number of events log files you are having, it will give you some good patterns. When you click on the statistics, when you find out, if you want to find out how many students are present, absent, and many statistics and all, this is the page you have to visit. Statistics visualization is the dashboard. As the current search did not create any statistics or visualizations, these boards will, it is saying very nicely here. You can read that. Can you read that, please?
Your search isn't generating any statics or visualization results.
Here are some possible ways to
To
get
get results.
results. Okay, these things we will learn these things later.
Okay.
There is another tab available here. You can see that search bar, analytics, datasets, reports, alerts, dashboards. On the top line, we have many other things like help, activity meaning what is happening inside the Splunk. But I mean, what jobs are running? Is there any triggered alerts or not? This arrow, are you aware of this arrow, please?
No, can you explain?
When you click on this arrow, this will open on a new window.
Okay.
This will not affect the existing window. That is
Okay.
another nice design. Okay, when you click on the settings, you will have these pages. These things are mostly for Splunk admins, Splunk architects and all. So we need not worry much for this one. Most of the time we will click settings and then add data. We will
Okay.
simply add the data to here and then do some calculations. So messages, in the sense, Messages meaning warning messages or some messages. Sometimes Splunk will give some warnings, messages, many things. That is what the message is about.
Okay.
The administrator is the username. You
Okay.
logged in as an administrator. So account setting preferences, log out. If you want to log out, this one.
Okay.
Did you notice this health, green color, this one?
Yeah.
When you mouse over on this one, it says that health colon green, which
Mm-hmm.
means that the health of the system is good. Sometimes if the system is struggling little bit, it will give you yellow color. If it becomes worse, then it will give red color.
Okay.
You can click on that one actually. When you click on that one, Splunk nicely gives what is happening behind the scenes.
Okay.
So I hope our Splunk tour, Splunk
GUI.
GUI tour is this one gives the list of apps you have installed. If you want to find out some more apps or anything, many options, many things. So what's your view on what's your take on the GUI design?
Yes.
You
The
maybe when you start using, you will find out other many problems or many things, I believe.
yes, yes. It's just like an intro. We
So
have
as it is just our intro tour, hope you guys, hope Gayatri and everybody liked this video.
yes. Thank you. Um, Today it's the end of the video here. Let's learn Splunk together. Thank you.
Thank you guys.